These are the directions for scan to email. Scan your badge to begin. Method 1. Place original in document feeder. Select the scan button on screen. If defaults are OK, push the start button on screen. Once all of the originals are scanned, press finish. You must now press the physical start button to go to the next step. The last step is to hit the send button on screen. Method 2, again you would scan your badge to begin. Click on the device function button on screen. Press the physical fax scan button. Select Me email button on screen and load your original documents. Hit the physical start button and your scan is now complete.